Hi, it's Thea with a quick combo tutorial for you for a belly dance choreography. We're gonna take a hip circle, just a basic hip circle, and we're gonna go front, left, back, right. Front, left, back, right. Now start to step to the left as you go around to the front. And let's take it the other way. Front, right, back, left, front, right, back, left, step to the right. There you go, traveling hip circles. We're gonna take 2 to the left and 2 to the right. Here we go. 2 to the left and 2 to the right. Great. Now, rib circles, front, side, back, side. We're gonna take that around and now add a little lift at the front. Reach up and relax down. Use your muscles here. Contract, release. Lift it up and around. Now for here, we're just gonna step back, step back, step back, and step back. You can play with your arms, maybe reach forward, and down. Next up, we've got a shimmy. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Make sure your belly is in, tucked, and the tailbone is tucked. So contract the lower abdominals, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And I'm gonna put my weight into the ball of my foot to make a waist down vibration and just shoulder roll. Beautiful. So we have a shimmy with a shoulder roll back, and let's put it all together from the top. We have 2 hip circles and switch, 2 hip circles and switch. And then we've got our chest, rib circle. As we step back, shimmy, and roll those shoulders back. Roll it back. Great. Maybe circle the head. Here we go from the top. 2 to the left, and 2 to the right. Rib circle, shimmy, shoulder rolls. Let's speed it up. 2 to the left, 2 to the right. Ribs, ribs, shoulders, shoulders. 2 to the left, 2 to the right. Ribs, ribs, shoulders, shoulders. All right, I hope that was fun. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great day.